Reaver with AudioLux here. Let me show you what we finished up on this beautiful Datsun 2000. Take a look. We have a beautiful complete interior here with accenting of full green stitching, all black leather, complete custom console made, hand fabricated here with cup holder, armrest, heated seat circuit, charging port, cigarette lighter port, custom shift knob, trim plating. We lasered out a beautiful Datsun logo over here. Next to it here is a digital volume control. This is the stereo itself. Your phone connects to a module in the car, and this acts as the volume up and down digitally. And of course, we integrated his factory features such as his flash, the fan, and then the brake. Now as well, we've restored this dashboard with a full trim piece that covered up all the imperfections. There's no replacement dashes for these, but they made luckily a beautiful bezel that we were able to attach onto here. All complete carpet. Now here's the best part. The client wanted a 3-point seatbelt system. The client wanted a Sometimes it fucking frees up. I don't get why.
Slow, you have to go slow.
Slow?
Yeah, when you do hard, it's one to lock with accident.
Yeah.
Okay? Go slow.
Okay, so if I do here for slow. Oh, soft touch. 3-point seatbelt system. Custom made with green stitching in the belt itself. He wanted extra safety. 2 points wasn't enough. He wanted 3 points. I just want brownie points with everybody. Now, what we have here is a beautiful sound system. The customer did not option for a subwoofer, but he optioned for 6 speakers. If you look under here, we have a beautiful match up 6 DSP amplifier with the BT streamer kit, which is how you're transferring the audio, high quality to that amplifier. That Intel powers these custom 6.5-inch kick panels and driver and passenger side that we molded and flushed in. It's powering those front speakers, and behind us are another 4 speakers. On the top here, we have a 4-inch coaxial. On the bottom here, we have a 6.5-inch mid bass. All brand new carpet. And we're gonna show you everything got cleaned up, even the trunk. The trunk used to be all metal. Now, it's fully paneled off, it's clean, it's show ready. Even the trunk lid itself, we made panels, just how it looks pretty. No audio system and upgraded lighting and everything else that we've done is gonna work without the proper power supply. We're gonna go under the hood here and show you that we installed a 180 amp high output alternator here with upgraded lines to the batteries so that this can support a modern system and more. Because what was here before was a little dinky 40 amp, if at best. Hood insulation to stop this beautiful paint job here from falling apart. It's from the heat and the sun of San Diego weather. And then of course, last but not least, a beautiful wet sand, 2-step paint correction, and full ceramic coating to bring this paint job to complete life. Well, I think we did a decent job. I would have liked to get it done in half a day, but it only took about 2 months. But it's done, and the customer is gonna be pretty happy. Let's see.